I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Well, I had to find how do you do this morning. I get in to start my car and she won't start. She goes click, 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 click. So she has a dead battery. It's a good thing we have an oil change appointment this afternoon. Or 10:30, I think. So I think I'm just going to take it straight there and see what happens. Because, if I could just take it there and let them I don't want to have to restart it and take it later and all that fun stuff. So anyway, yeah, that's my adventure this morning. Dead battery. It's funny, when I got this car, they did something to extend the warranty. So, so I have, they give me this card to call if I have issues. And I got issues. So, I called it, and I called it, and then it gave me a link, and so I've got it filled out, and so somebody's supposed to come and take care of it. So I don't know if it's free. I don't know if it's free roadside assistance or just, it just says a roadside assistance program. So, anyway, but yeah, so, services, I don't know. Anyway, we will see. But anyway, it's the first time having to call it. So, Tawanda's been good. I've had her since 2023, I think. 23, 4, 5, 6, 3 years. And so if she's just now having issues, I'm okay with it. So, anyway, I'm going to let y'all go. But I'm just sitting here hanging out. This shirt I have on today, he is risen. And he's got a little crown of thorns. I can't talk. All right, I got to go. Bye. We're going on an adventure today, guys. So he came. He got it started. Come find out he was a student of my dad's. My dad was the band director in Jackson for 30 years. And and before that, he taught down south for about, I think, a total of 5 years. Anyway, so yeah. So I got that. He came and jumped it. So now we're off to Kia. So I'll see you next thing. Guys, there's a little baby turtle. He's like, it's awful windy out here. Ain't he cute? Okay, listen, y'all. It's windy as heck. Yes. My car is at the car dealer, so I can't eat in my car. I'm just going to show y'all what I'm eating, and then that's that. I'll just catch up with you later. It's a 8 ounces of a burger patty, so that's what I'm eating today. But it's too windy. I can't have a conversation with y'all. And now I probably got grass in my food, but little grass never hurt nobody. Anyway, so yeah, I'll catch up to y'all later. Here's a couple things for you. Tawanda's back. It's a shame they don't vacuum it out. I think in the olden days when I used to get an oil change, they did vacuum them out. But that was like the olden days. That was back whenever you could, y'all remember getting gas and you'd pull up and it'd go ding. I got to take something in. It'd go ding, ding. And they'd come out and pump your gas. I remember when I was the rule for my family was Mom and Dad we would get a car, and they would pay for the gas as long as we had a job. And then if we went to college, we had to pay for college. But, oh, dang, I got a wasp in here. Hold her, Newt. That's what I get for leaving these windows down. Get on with your bad self. There. See? You shouldn't be leaving your windows down. No, sir. No, sir. I don't care how pretty it is. Don't be leaving your windows down. You should stay secluded and locked up. Oh, let me not run my battery. Anyway, so yeah, that was the rule of my house. And I remember we got a Texaco card. And Mom and Dad paid it. And I remember sometimes I'd go to the one that you pull up and they pump it for you. I was such a bratty kid. But you know what else I remember? I also remember like paying a little bit of cash for gas and then putting cigarettes on my mom and dad's Texaco card. And they never knew it. Or if they did, they never said anything. I was a bad kid. That was when I was in college, so yeah. Anyway, but yeah, they paid for gas as long as, we paid for schooling. But let me tell you, my first car, it was older than I was. I was 16, and the car at the time was older than me. It had been through 2 cousins, and both my sisters, and it was a stick shift. Anyway, okay, that's that. What was I going to tell you? Oh, yeah, so Tawanda's back. I was also planning on... y'all... Me and ChatGPT had a little conversation about my lack of weight loss. Well, it politely said, I'm going to be direct with you. Well, you don't need to be so direct with me. I need the air conditioner on. It's that time of year. I wear my jacket going into work, but I got to be like half naked coming out. But anyway, and inside work, it's always cold. Anyway, so yeah, ChatGPT said, I'm going to be direct with you. I said, by not tracking for 3 days, it can cause you can have enough calories in those 3 days to derail your deficit. Whoopsies. So my little weekend trysts with not tracking. No, I can't be doing that no more. Whoopsies. So anyway, so I got to get it together, even on the weekends. Now, Sundays, I'll see what I can do on Sundays. But yeah, so my little, I'm just going to have breakfast this morning. Or, I'm just going to eat early this morning. And we're not going to track it. That's got to stop. I got to lock in. So I have to own it, y'all. If I were to say, well, I'm on this medication and people have trouble losing weight on this medication, or I'm doing creatine and that causes people to retain water. These are all the things I was telling myself. And if I walk, it's going to change it to muscle and that's going to make me not lose weight. No, Terri. The fact is you're eating more than you need to eat to lose weight. And that's just the point. So I got to face the facts. It's real time, real conversation, and that's all I got to say about it. That is what I got to say about it. So, there you go. I got to get it together. So, no more, I'll just not track today. That don't happen. So, all right. So, we are tracking, and even if it's higher than it should be, we're tracking it. So, all right. I'll see you at supper. Bye. Well, ain't this a fine how do you do? How you doing? Are you doing okay? Yeah, I'm doing okay too. I am home. Y'all, I didn't walk today. We already discuss that? I didn't walk today. Well, it was so windy and I was just really into, I was doing a lot of data entry and I had to get some data entry done. And so a lot of times if I'm doing like a bunch of data entry, I'll put on like some kind of like crime channel from YouTube. And there's a couple I listen to. I'll just tell you who it is that way. If you ever like them. One is called Annie Elise. ANNIE space ELISE. The other one is Danielle Kirsty. DANIELLE KIRSTY. There's other Law and Crime Network. There's other Red Thread Interrogations. Anyway, there's a bunch of them. But those are the ones. Anyway, so today I was doing data entry for about 7 hours. I think I listened to 3 different crime stories. I didn't care. It was great. So anyway, that's how my day went. Except for, let me just say, I thank you all for helping me with my issues. And I thank you all for talking to me and coaching me along the way whenever I was having that financial issue as far as, do I pay off the card? What do I do? And we had talked about it and I sold my stock and was able to pay off that credit card. And you all, have kind of coached me about getting a savings, working on having like an emergency fund. You were right. That's what I want to say. You were right. And the reason is, I was not expecting a battery today. I was expecting the oil change, and I had that set aside. but I wasn't planning on a new battery. But you know what? Because of you all's coaching and my mama and my sister, I have an emergency fund. Now, it ain't all the way full, and I'll have to add extra to it now, but that's okay. That's what it's for. So thank you all. Thank you all. Well, thank Jesus first and foremost for introducing me to you all. And thank you all. And so for all of your coaching and advice, I'm telling you, you all are so appreciated and so valuable. So I want to make sure you know that. Anyway, all right. So I'm pretty excited. My macros today looking pretty good. You'll see them at the end. But this is, so I cut off the fat, all that extra fat from this chuck steak. And so it ended up being 14.5 ounces. So I plugged in 7.25 ounces for the evening. Got some good seasoning on there. I'm so excited. We're going to go back to Sam's this weekend. We'll wander around the store a little bit too. But I'm going to do, I'm going to have them slice them into 1-inch sliced steaks. And then I'll cook them like I've been doing them. But then this way it'll be 1 inch. So I'll be able to kind of handle them a little bit better. Some of them I like the idea of them just being unified. Mine, some of them start going, because I couldn't slice straight to save my life. I couldn't color in the lines either. Could you color in the lines when you were a kid? I'm 54 years old. I still can't color in the lines. Anyway, yeah, so, all right. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Anyway, this, it is butterscotch and chocolate peanut butter mixed together. You could put butterscotch or chocolate peanut butter with a pile of poop and it would still taste good. Listen, I better have another bite. You just peddle your own papers while I focus on my delicious food over here. By the way, this, I know, I say this all the time, but this is keto chow. I buy keto chow and turn it into stuff. So, all right. That's it. That's all you get. No walk today. I see several of you guys have a new video out already. And so I'm going to start watching y'all. So just know I do watch your videos. I don't always comment. Please know that. I'm terrible about it because I watch it on my TV. And so while right now I'm going to be uploading and editing my video, but I'm listening to you all. So please understand that. I watch you and I love you all so much. So if you have a YouTube channel, drop it in the comments so we can follow you. All right, I love y'all. And now off to your videos. Oh, and I promise I watch your commercials too. Because I know the dealie. So I watch your commercials. So I just want to make sure I tell y'all. I don't hit the skip on your channels. Okay, bye. Okay, my macros aren't too shabby today. So that's my coffee and then my lunch. And then it says lunch, but that's my afternoon coffee. And next up, you're going to see my supper tonight. And then you'll see my snack that I'll have later on with the pupper dogs. And coming up here, this is my total macros for the day. I'm not disappointed. And I will take that and be happy with it. Thanks for watching, guys.